Okay, one of the common weight loss trends amongst vegans and raw foodists today on YouTube is going on something they call a juice feasting or a smoothie fast or something, where they'll just do blended food for 30 days, fruits and vegetables for 30 days, or juicing for 30 days to try to lose weight. Have you heard about this, and what's your opinion about things like
Yeah,
this?
these things have been kicking around for a long time. In fact, when people come to my retreat, sometimes they'll opt for 5 days to just do green juices for a detoxification program. The key to understand, though, is that the food that we're recommending has fiber. One of the biggest deficiencies of the American and the human diet is fiber, not protein. And so the bottom line is by getting a diversity of plants, it's important. If you do juices only, you're taking away the fiber component of that food. You are concentrating nutrients, so there's a nutrient density, but there's a fiber shortage. So my advice would be any of those kinds of kind of more extreme approaches, I would do them for a short period of time and always come back to the idea that we want to eat whole foods. Even smoothies are valuable because they do have fiber content too. But unless you've got some major digestive difficulties with teeth or chewing or your gut, I don't think we need to be blending salads and smoothieing long term. I think short term, those can have value 3, 4 days if you wanted, 4 or 5 days if you wanted to do like a little detox program. But I think generally speaking, we want to come back to eating food in its whole food form.
See the full video with Frank Sabatino and more about his new book at my website, rawlifehealthshow.com. Look for the description and the link. Thank you.